If you want to use power button to activate the Google Assistant on your Galaxy Tab A11, then first of all you have to download the Google Assistant app. Even though you might have the Google Assistant on your tablet by default, most of the time the app itself is not installed for some reason. So we have to go to the Play Store, simply search for Google Assistant, there we go, and you want to install the app. Once it is installed, we're gonna go to Settings, and in here, first we're gonna choose Modes and Routines. Now we can go to Routines over here. We can press this plus button in the upper right corner, and first we're gonna choose this Then option. We're gonna add what should happen. We want to scroll down and choose Apps, open an app or do an app action, and then we have Open Assistant option, so we can select it and press Done. Now for the If, we want to choose Start Manually, and we're gonna save it. Of course, we can set the name for the routine, change the icon, and so on and so forth, so you can do that and then press Done. Now, on the left side again, we're gonna scroll down this time to Advanced Features, go to the Side button, and we have double press. Unfortunately, there is no press and hold. We can only customize the double press shortcut. And in here, you want to choose Modes and Routines, and then of course we want to select our Assistant routine. So now if I double press the power button, I can activate Google Assistant. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.